Hi, painters! Welcome back to another week with Mrs. Williams. Here we go. So, painting this week, we're gonna sketch four new prompts since we don't have school on Monday. We are going to have an artist spotlight, so those are two old things you guys are super used to. And then we're going to continue mastering our art skills. This week, we're gonna take a step back as we glide into second quarter, and we're going to do a t-shirt competition. So it won't be so much painting as it will be designing something really, really cool. Just as a heads up, this month is October. In October in the ink world, or in the art world, it is called Inktober. And every single day is a different prompt. The only rules for Inktober is you must use some type of ink. I've been able to keep all my Inktobers in the same dirty old sketchbook for about 3 years now. And guys, it is so fun when you get the hang of it, when you can look at a prompt and just draw something. It can be something from your favorite movie. These two are from The Princess Bride. It can be an object or an item. It can be something to challenge yourself. I haven't drawn a ton of smoke in my life, so that was really, really fun. It can be something simple. You can start off with like little calligraphy, or it can be something complicated. I know I don't draw a lot of animals, so that was a really, really hard sketch for me. Or even something from cartoons, and again, just something that is your style, something you feel comfortable with as long as it's with ink, pen, marker of some sort. And so here we go. That's Inktober. It is not mandatory, it is not graded, it's just an extra art challenge. So, this week we have an artist spotlight as well. If you're new to painting, congratulations, welcome to the tribe. Here is examples how to do that. This week we're going to be creating not one, not two, but 3 different t-shirt designs. We're designing for the art department, the music department, and the theater department, and these will be Friday wearable shirts. Not only for this year, but you can wear them for years to come. So if you're a sophomore taking my class, you could design a shirt, be chosen, have it printed, and be able to wear it junior and senior year, even sophomore, junior year, and senior year if you're coming back a little bit earlier than expected. Or it's just a nice comfy jammy shirt that you could say that you designed. So that's cool. Anyway, just like any client, if you're designing for Vans, for Hollister, for Zoomies, for any client, even Disney, they all have requirements when you make a t-shirt. And that's just the fun of having a client. So our client, the music, the theater, and the art department, and ALA, we all have to work under their set of rules when it comes to designing a shirt. No matter how cool it looks, if you don't follow these rules, it's not going to be chosen to be voted on. All right? So anyway, your requirements, it must incorporate the ALA logo, the name Warriors somewhere, the name of the program. So if it's the music department, you say music department somewhere. And design representing the program. So a picture that represents something that has to do with the program. So if it's music, you can do music notes, a trumpet, guitar, violin, a flute, drum, something that says music. Okay? The design is neat and not too busy. You're only designing the front of the shirt. Don't give me a front and the back of the shirt. Do not include ironwood and do not include 2020. That's a client request. Design a creative shirt that you would like to wear. Something that looks good and that you would genuinely wear it if it was for sale at school. Tuesday, not Monday. We're gonna go ahead and fix that because Monday we don't have school. Hooray! So Tuesday you're gonna hop on to Google Classroom and you're going to find this worksheet over here that I've pointed to. And you are going to start doing some baby thumbnail sketches. And so here we are, back to here. You guys are seeing behind the curtain. Here we go. So once you're done with your baby sketches, that should be towards the end of the class day on Tuesday. Wednesday and Thursday, you'll be finalizing your design to be turned in by this Friday. All right. And here are some simple do's, like what you can do to make sure your shirt sticks out as a design. So, number one, draw something simple. Please keep it simple. All right. Think like clip art or hydro flask stickers. Okay. Something with thick lines, almost coloring book quality. Don't get all shady on me. Carefully consider where your letters are going to be and how big they're going to be. The letters, it's 50-50 between the words and the picture. So make sure your letters stick out too, okay? And then you need to color or ink your design. And this will be apparent. So I've designed a really bad shirt and a really good shirt. For students who've never designed shirts, they're like, what the heck, Mrs. Williams? It's a really good shirt. Bob Ross, I love Bob Ross. Bob Ross is awesome. However, he's way too complicated. The t-shirt company, like, they would be lucky enough to print a stick figure, okay? And there's way too much shading. You could see on the hair, on the face here. It's not gonna print good. They scribbled their letters, and the letters, I want you to actually take time, make a piece of art out of it, and draw. And they only drew in pencil. They did not ink their design, as in they didn't bother to like add any color to the background. And that can kill you when people are voting for your design. Any color, any inking you can do is going to make your design pop out more. So yes, ink in the background of your shirt if you want white letters, okay? Or if you want black letters, make sure to add a color or ink your actual letters. Don't just fill them in with pencil, fill them in with Sharpie or pen. You can tell Mrs. Williams is passionate about this because I've designed a couple shirts in my life. Anyway, um, that is all for this week. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Good luck, artists.